tribute to. The next thing you want to do is take out your cell phone. You're going to want to go to your text messaging service, and you'll need to send a text message to this number, 81010. That's 81010. The message that you'll be sending to this number is that's the @ symbol, DRAM 2336. And make sure that your autocorrect doesn't move it to drama 2336. That's @DRAM 2336. This will subscribe you to an anonymous text messaging service called remind.com. I'm sure most of you have used it before in high schools and other settings, but it's a way for you to communicate with me directly and instantaneously without knowing my personal number and without revealing your personal number to me. It's very important that you do this right now so that you can receive instant notifications about changes to where we're having class, what we're doing that day, and instant notifications about things related to the campus at large, such as we're shutting down this afternoon because suddenly we have a snow day. Not very likely in our case. Cut.